2, 1. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Krissy here. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Krissy here, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing corn casserole. So I love corn casserole because, for one, I love food a lot, and I thought, why not go ahead and do something that I love, which is corn, and I love casserole. So put it together and it makes corn casserole just like that. So before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and give it a big thumbs up. Now let's get into it. So first, you're going to need salted butter and cream stout sweet corn and Jiff cornbread muffin. I call it cornbread, but Jiff muffin mix. Sour cream. Y'all can't even see it, but sour cream. And then whole kernel sweet corn. And of course, I'm gonna need a huge bag of sugar. Yeah. I'm just kidding. But really, you're gonna need sugar, but not that much. Like, no, not really. All right, now we ready to cook. Happy days. try it. So excited. I'm super tired though, but I'm really excited. Let's see. I'm gonna just cut a small piece because, yeah, I just want to. Get a plate. Put this on the plate. Super excited. I hope it tastes good. Ooh, it smells so good. Now let's get into it. Hey, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm super excited, y'all. I'm hungry. Amen. It's super hard. I don't know why. I can't ever wait to eat my food. I have to make sure it's piping hot. Y'all. It's right here. Man, I'm happy. I was so nervous, y'all, because this is my first time really making this dish, so I was super nervous. But it's so good. It's got some fire on it. No cap. I'm eating all this by myself. I'm kidding. I'm not really. Oh, this is super good. Oh, I'm gonna go get my brother and let him try it. You're trying the food, Tilly.
Okay, have to eat one small bite of this stuff.
He's gonna eat one small bite of it. Can y'all see?
It's cornbread.
It's corn casserole.
Ooh.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is so good, guys.
Is it really? You like it? Oh, good. What does it taste like? Like what?
Corn.
And what else?
Tastes like a little bit of cornbread too.
Interesting. That's good. Okay. You want some more?
I want that piece.
You want that piece? Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Go James, go James. All right. Hey, thank you for watching my video. I hope y'all liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.